Hey friends, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today excited about this one. This is a 2013 Porsche 911S Cabriolet with a 7-speed manual transmission. Everybody loves good old manual transmission. This car has 89,000 miles. It's a high mileage 2013, but extremely well cared for. I mean, this car is gorgeous. And we've got a stack of records in a folder. We just put a clutch in it when we got it. It needed a clutch, so we went ahead and did that. We have the receipt for that as well. It was done at a Porsche specialist in town, sports car repair. Besides that record, other recent records include water pump, there's a coolant line invoice in there, brakes, some other stuff, but it goes back quite a ways. All the records, there's a big thick stack. Car comes with 2 keys, all the books, the original certificate of authenticity. This car had a 122,535 MSRP. Nice 20-inch wheels. I'll go over the options here real quick. It's got power steering plus, multi-function steering wheel. It's got the Bose sound package, instrument dials in black. It's got the leather center console trim with the designation on it. I'll show you right there. It says Carrera S. Power. It's got the power sport seats, 20-inch wheels. It's got the premium package, 14-way power, which gives you hot and cold seats and all that as well. And it's got park assist front and rear. Really nice car. The whole front end on this car has been wrapped in PPF. So the whole car has got PPF on it. On the front end only here. All the front bumper, hood, fenders, and the backs of the mirrors. So that's all nice and protected. And the nose is just really nice on this car. It doesn't need to be repainted. Doesn't have a bunch of scuffs on it. Really nice and clean. Car runs perfect. Tires are really good. There's no scuffs on the wheels at all. Take a quick look inside. There's your Carrera S. Multi-function steering wheel. It's got the comfort access. Navigation, of course. Heated and ventilated seats. There's that beautiful manual transmission. Just a really nice car. The seats are in great condition. There's a little bit of wear right here. Okay. That should be expected on a 90,000 mile car. But this bolster looks really nice. If you look here, usually these are worn out. And this one is not worn out from getting in and out. I take it this is from the seat belt maybe wearing right here as you wear a seat belt. Looks like when you take it over it kind of rubs that, so I think that's probably how that happened. The top, perfect condition, no issues at all. This is the cheapest 911S Cabriolet with a manual transmission, 991 model on the market. And you would never tell standing next to it that it had 90,000 miles. See, this bolster is really nice. Perfect condition over here. Nothing. So, door panels, great shape. All the speakers sound very good. The oil was just changed in this car, so don't need any services. Everything is done right now. There's no warning lights on. You've got that brand new clutch that you don't have to worry about. Those wheels look awesome. So this is the perfect package here. Manual transmission, it's an S, has all the service records, it was just serviced, it's got a brand new clutch, 2 keys, books. This is the one. Give us a call, text, email. We will get back to you quickly. We can ship this car to you enclosed anywhere you like in the US. We can do deals through text message and email, long distance. I'll make it very, very easy for you to buy this car. Go read my reviews. Everybody talks about how easy the deal was, seamless, quick. I know a lot of dealers say that, but it really is quick and easy. Hope to hear from you soon on this one. Thank you very much.